Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download Google Maps data so you can use it when you're offline. Let's get right into it. So firstly, open up Google Maps. Then you're going to want to click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then you're going to want to click on Offline Maps. After that, you're then going to want to click on Select Your Own Map. Then you can drag around and whatever is in the little box is going to be downloaded. You can also pinch, zoom in and out, and you'll get a file size estimate on how much storage it's going to take up. And once you're happy with the selection that has been selected, click on Download. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom, and these maps will update automatically. And once it's downloaded, you can then click on the X button, and now when you're offline, you'll be able to navigate the area using Google Maps. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.